At Best Reviews, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first Bosu ball is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. A great half ball for a variety of balance exercises and workouts. This ball includes a workout DVD and a poster featuring 16 exercises, measures 65 centimeters in diameter and comes in 5 color options. Here are the cons. Some customers reported leaks in their balance trainers. The best reviews bottom line. The original Bosu balance trainer is great for balance exercises. We rated this Bosu ball as our best value pick. Here are the pros. This Bosu Dome is an excellent choice for balancing and exercising core muscles. Smaller than the classic Bosu balance trainer, this is a great choice for beginners. 50 centimeters diameter and 3 color options. Here are the cons. May be difficult to inflate with included pump. The best reviews bottom line. Perfect for a balance intensive workout. The next Bosu ball is our third top pick. Here are the pros. This exercise ball has a 6-sided pattern for easy alignment. It's also filled with a weighting material, making it easier to balance. Comes in 45 centimeters and 65 centimeter sizes in 2 different colors. Here are the cons. The pump is low quality and difficult to use. Some customers noted that the surface is oily. The best reviews bottom line. The classic Bosu exercise ball. We rank this Bosu ball as our 4th top pick. Here are the pros. A 4 pounds medicine ball for core strengthening exercises. This ball, it includes a DVD demonstrating workouts. 5 inches diameter. Here are the cons. This product doesn't stand as well on its own as other Bosu balls. The best reviews bottom line. This small medicine ball pairs well with other Bosu balls. This Bosu ball is our final top pick. Here are the pros. This combo kit pairs the Bosu ballast ball and balance trainer and includes 2 workout DVDs. Here are the cons. The included foot pump doesn't inflate very well. The best reviews bottom line. 2 of Bosu's best products in one package.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit bestreviews.com for more in-depth product reviews.